It's January 15th, 1919. Molasses requirements is at an all-time high. During that time, it was mostly used to make industrial alcohol, which was crucial in forming explosives. A colossal storage tank containing 2.3 million gallons erupted. Cause of the subpar construction of the tank and unseasonably warm temperatures, which led the molasses to ferment and expand, resulting in flooding the north end of the city of Boston. The waves were 15 feet high and traveled with an incredible pace of 35 miles an hour. This sticky brown substance caused a lot of destruction to the buildings and everything in the vicinity, injuring 150 and taking 31 lives.